Alright, this is a video you Gary's tour fans. We're walking on 87th Street toward a Japanese food feast adjacent to Central Park West, because today is Japan Day and it's going to be a parade starting around 87th Street. And I had Jerry carry. I used to carry my babies around in those things too. Pigeons. In New York, they think of them basically as rats, by the way.
Él me dijo desde el viernes que yo me iba a comer. Yo le dije que sí, porque yo había hablado con él en vista de que
This place is Belmore Hotel. Hotel right here, huh? On 87th Street. I have to remember that. A runner? Beautiful flowers. And now we're walking on north on Broadway from 87th Street. Let's see what we see. Bank of America. Coffee shop. Salad bar.
what'd you say? Yeah.
This is the Upper West Side. Also a very posh part of New York City. Everything in New York City is very welcome and expensive these days. ex-girlfriend today was asking me, how much do you spend to come into New York City? I said, well, so far it's been about $45. Tolls, mostly, and quick breakfast. She couldn't believe it. She said it's going to cost you, it has to cost you $400. No, it doesn't. You do it very inexpensively. Barbershop, hairdresser, and a little place to eat food. And a donut store. And a cat. Hello, cat. Water and weed. Beautifully covered up. Getting ready for lunch now. 89th Street. Sign says stop, so we stop. Postal card. Big postal card. Life in New York. People in New York tend to walk a lot more than the rest of the Americans do. Most people don't walk. But here, once you get your car parked, there's 2 bars that want to be done for the day. Driving. Look at the flowers. So this is a walk up Broadway. Toward 90th Street. It's just got some vegetables and fruits. Fruits and vegetables, looks like it. It might be fruits and vegetables. It is fruits and vegetables. Look at that. Blueberries. Blueberries are good. They're supposed to make you smarter. Now we're going to turn and walk across 90th Street. Another Bank of America. We're 26 minutes and seconds to make it. 24, 23. What will we make it across before we get run over and killed? Who knows? As I say, it's more likely to get run over and killed by a bicyclist in New York. I hear a motorcycle. Flowers. And each of these trees will be planted. I think it's the adjoining buildings that maintain these little cuts for flowers. It's an apartment building. It's called the New West. Cool. Tesla, Model S. People coming from the temple. More pansies. Get out of the way, I'm going to run over before I get the picture of people hitting me. Another Tesla. Tesla taxi cab.